Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print export report of purchase order and also view purchase order based on date. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev purchase report open or export. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users, and see here is options for display menu. Allow printing open purchase report. Allow this. Let's save. Now go to purchase app and see here this menu. Now click on. Select here date that which you want. I want to select 1st to 30. First I want to view purchase order and see here created order between 1 to 30 date. And now I want to print. So again select date and click on export purchase report. And see here your export report of purchase order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.